over the internet, you hear amazing success stories about making money online through our channel. Deciding your own business hours, being your own boss, and having a passive income ticking into your personal bank account on a regular basis. Now, you probably wonder how you, with no experience at all, can grab a piece of this amazing income opportunity. Here, I will teach you how to build a successful and legitimate online business and to create a free website and earn money online. But first of all, here's a quick introduction to get you familiar with the basics of how it all works. Before anything else, it's highly important to be familiar with the basics. You need to understand how you're making money and where your money comes from. This way, you can make sure that your income is all honest and legitimate, that your customers are satisfied with your services, and that you won't run into any unexpected legal issues. First of all, to start making money online, you need to start a business. Starting an online business is very similar to building an offline one, and it takes time and effort to make your business succeed. People have a tendency of thinking that making money online is easy and done in a mouse click, but it's not. If anyone offers you a quick and easy way to make money online, it's either gambling with very low odds of success or a complete scam. The first way I'll talk about is creating how-to videos. In recent years, YouTube has become the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password phrases that people search for. To find potential search phrases, start typing "how to" and your topic, and phrases are generated into the autofill dropdown. Make sure to use the same keywords when you're writing your video titles, descriptions, and tags. By doing this, you could generate an income without leaving your home. Also, you can create a mobile money blog. Do you have an area of expertise? Share your advice on a blog. If travel is your area of expertise, think about what you have to offer. Are you an expert in luxury travel or budget travel? Can you share advice about certain activities like hiking or shopping? The more specific you get, the easier it'll be to attract an engaged audience and earn money with your site. You can also set up an online course. This goes beyond writing an ebook by creating a whole online course with the tutorials, PDF downloads, and videos. It's a great way to create passive income because people will pay for the information and can go at their own pace or paste questions related to the course in a dedicated group. Another way is by narrating audiobooks. The audiobook industry keeps growing every year, and it seems more and more people prefer to listen to their books instead of reading them. Still, most books never make it into the audiobook format. Audiobooks can be very beneficial for authors. Not only will they earn extra money from their books, but it'll help them stand out from the crowd as well. Here's a breakdown for how to start an audiobook career. If you have a great voice and love reading, then becoming an audiobook narrator could be a great opportunity. One of the easiest ways to get started is by signing up for ACX. It's a service that connects audiobook narrators with authors. Beyond signing up for the service above, you'll also need to invest in a high-quality microphone and recording software, and create some samples that show off your vocal skills. If you want to expand your reach, you can also create a profile on Upwork and pitch audiobook narration jobs that you come across. You can also learn how to type for cash. Are you a fast typist? Transcribing is simple. Listen to an audio file through headphones and type it out. As a transcriber, your pay is directly related to how fast you type. Transcription jobs are paid by the audio hour, which is the length of the audio file, rather than by the hour worked. The time spent on a transcript is influenced by the audio quality, background noise, the accent of the speaker, and the speed at which people speak. The average transcriber, typing between 75 and 100 words per minute, will complete one audio hour in 4 hours worked. Consider the company Rev.com, which hires freelance transcribers. You can also extend income by selling on social media. People are accustomed to buying and selling on eBay, Craigslist, or Etsy, but social media platforms are now encroaching on their market. Take Facebook, for example. The social media company announced in 2019 that it's adding new shopping features across its family of apps. That includes new shipping and payment options for Marketplace, Facebook's sprawling e-commerce platform where you can swap everything from furniture to cars. The move will allow Marketplace users to ship items anywhere in the continental United States and pay for their purchases directly through Facebook, something it previously did not facilitate. This comes after Facebook began letting users hire contractors, cleaners, plumbers, and other home services through Marketplace, starting in 2018. Not surprisingly, Instagram is also beefing up its e-commerce features. Influencers, creators, and online businesses can now tag products directly in posts, making it easier for their followers to buy from them. Facebook is also adding new business tools to its messaging platform WhatsApp, which will allow people to view a product catalog directly within the app when chatting with a business. The takeaway? In its drive to facilitate our every online action, Facebook is making it easier to buy and sell a diverse array of products and services. Also, influencer marketing isn't just for celebrities. You don't need to be a celebrity influencer to make money on social media. These days, Instagrammers or YouTubers with as few as 1,000 followers can attract sponsors. These online tastemakers are often dubbed as micro-influencers or nano-influencers in marketing jargon. Micro-influencers generally have between 2,000 to 50,000 followers, while nano-influencers have 2,000 or less, although the exact designations are very much up for debate. These types of influencers are in demand because sponsors prize engagement, and the biggest social media stars aren't guaranteed to deliver the best results. In fact, influencers with only 1,000 followers can generate 85% higher engagement than those with 100,000 followers. Many of these influencers are regular people posting about a hobby or trade they're particularly knowledgeable about, from owning a photogenic hedgehog to offering up cleaning tips. As a result, their followers often get a more personal experience and their recommendations come off as more trustworthy. The numbers back this up. A 2017 study suggested that 78% of millennials were either indifferent or had a negative view of celebrity endorsements. That led to brands spending 40% of their influencer budgets on micro-influencers, with only 28% devoted to celebrity influencers, according to a 2019 study. Micro-influencers don't command six-figure deals, but there's still money to be made. Rates vary, but an influencer with 5,000 to 10,000 followers can command up to $500 per post, while followings of 25,000 can net $800, according to a blog post from Instagram marketing firm Later. But how can you get sponsors aboard? You can contact a brand directly, and there's also an entire industry devoted to connecting sponsors with relevant influencers. Options include Tap Influence, Tribe, For, and Grapevine, among others. There are also platforms like Patreon, which allow independent content creators to make money by selling memberships to their fans. And lastly, you can do internet research and take surveys. Another way to make good money is by surfing the internet in your spare time or filling out online surveys. If you're looking for a way to make an extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month part-time, then internet research is for you. Add the site QMe to your browser, and if you click on a search result, you'll earn money. You can also earn cash for taking QMe surveys and sharing your opinions on brands. Other survey sites include SurveyBots, SurveyJunkie, and Valued Opinions. Another way to make a series of small cash rewards while on the go? With the new app Current, travelers can make up to an extra $600 a year by simply listening to music and performing various tasks. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification icon to get all our latest updates. See you next time!
That's caught in the crossfire.